I am JVN Dr. Surendra Kumar Srivastava from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss the Silo theorem. Suppose G is a group of finite order and P is a prime number. If Pm of order of G and Pm plus m is not a divisor of order of G, then G has the subgroup of order P to the power m. Proof. We shall prove this theorem by principle of induction of order G. Assume that the theorem is true for groups of order less than the order of G. If order of G is equal to 1, that is G is equal to E, then the theorem is causally true for n is equal to 1. Now take order of G is greater than 1. Let order of G is equal to P to the power m dot n, where P is not divisor of n. Now taking case m is equal to 0, so order of G is equal to n. Suppose subgroup of G is equal to E of order 1, or order of subgroups P to the power 0 is equal to 1. The theorem is true in this case. Now taking m is equal to 1, that is order of G is equal to Pn. There will exist an element A belongs to G. A belongs to G. Order of G, there will exist an element A belongs to G, order of G is equal to P. By Cauchy theorem, A to the power P is equal to E, so G has a subgroup H is equal to A comma A square comma and so on, AP is equal to E of order P. So theorem is true in this case also. Now taking m is greater than 1 and P is not divisor of n. In this case, G will be a group of composite order. Therefore, subgroup of G, say H is not equal to G. If P is not divisor of order of G upon order of H, since order of G is equal to P to the power m into n is equal to order of G order of H upon order of H. Since P divides the order of G and P is not the divisor of order of G order of H, so P divides the order of H. Also, P to the power m plus 1 cannot be divisor of order of H. Otherwise P to the power m plus 1 will be divisor of order of G. Also, order of H is less or equal to order of G. So the theorem is true for H. Therefore, H has a subgroup of order P to the power m. So H is subgroup of G. G has a subgroup of order P to the power m. Now take the case for every subgroup H of G where H is not subset of G, H is divisor of order of G upon order of H. Consider the class equation order of G is equal to order of Z plus summation A belongs to Z order of G order of NA. Since A does not belongs to Z, that implies NA is not equal to G. Since P is divisor of order of G, that is P divides the order of G over order of NA, that implies P divides the order of Z. Therefore, by Cauchy theorem 2, Z should have an element B such that B to the power P is equal to E. Now taking n generated by b, so n is equal to b comma b square and so on, b to the power p is equal to e. This is also cyclic subgroup of Z of order p, since n is also cyclic subgroup of G of order p. Since p belongs to Z, n is normal subgroup of G of order p. Now consider a quiescent group G dash is equal to G by n. Since order of G dash is equal to order of G divides the order of n is equal to p to the power m into n upon p. This is p to the power m minus 1 into n. Since order of G dash is less than order of G, also p to the power m minus 1 divides the order of G dash. By our induction hypothesis theorem is true for G dash, so G dash has a subgroup of S dash whose order will be p to the power m minus 1. Consider the natural mapping order of G. Phi is such that order of G tends to G by n. Defined phi x is equal to nx for all x belongs to G. This is homomorphism mapping, since phi of x comma y is equal to nxy is equal to nx dot ny is equal to phi x dot phi y. S is equal to x belongs to G, since phi x belongs to S dash, n is kernel of phi, then S is a subgroup of G and S dash is a subgroup of G by n. By fundamental theorem of homomorphism, S dash is isomorphism to S by n. So order of S dash is equal to order of S by n, that is order of S by order of n. Therefore order of S is equal to order of S dash, order into order of n is equal to p to the power m minus 1 into p to the power m is equal to p to the power m. Order of S is equal to p to the power m. Hence, S is a subgroup of P of order p to the power m. Thank you.